We now have our sixth named tropical storm of the year. We have Tropical Storm Fred. It is sitting just to the south of Puerto Rico. So we do have to watch the movement of the storm over the next several days as it does push towards the coast of Florida. I'll talk about that more coming up in just a second. Now, here back at home, we are going to expect some more rain as we head towards the end of this week. A front is going to inch towards the area, and it is going to stall over the area once it gets here. So we are going to see some cooler temperatures, but also an extended period of rain ahead. Now, you felt it today. We are going to have a very high humidity, but mixing with that 90-degree temperatures is going to allow for a high heat index. So be sure, if you are outdoors, so playing sports, working, or anything outdoors, be sure to take frequent breaks, stay cool, and stay hydrated during this heat. So now if we take a look at the National Hurricane Center outlook, here is Tropical Storm Fred sitting just to the south of Puerto Rico. Now I'll talk about that more in just a second, but first let's talk about Invest 95L. This is the Invest 95L, and as it pushes off to the west, it does look to have very favorable environmental conditions, so this may be another tropical storm or hurricane right behind what we have Fred right now. So 30% chance of development, but with this well-defined center of low pressure, plenty of thunderstorm activity, and favorable environmental conditions ahead of the storm, it does look like those chances are going to go up in the days to come. So be sure to just keep it at my Facebook page or your local National Weather Service for all the latest information on Invest 95L, as this does look like it will develop into something tropical over the next 5 to 10 days. Now let's talk about our current tropical storm. We have Tropical Storm Fred sitting just to the south of Puerto Rico. The core of the storm is going to remain to the south of Puerto Rico. In Puerto Rico, we are seeing some showers and storms pushing through the area right now, but the core, the center of circulation, is going to stay to the south of Puerto Rico. Now this is going to push over parts of the Dominican Republic and Haiti as it does push off. So where are the models saying that this is going to go? So does going to stay to the south of Puerto Rico, and like I was saying, push towards the Dominican Republic and clip Haiti, clip the northern part of Haiti. Now, some of the models do take this into Cuba, but most of the models are saying that the core of the storm is going to stay just to the north of Cuba. So Cuba is going to see some rain and maybe some gusty winds, but the core of the storm is likely to stay just to the north of Cuba. So that's the track that the National Hurricane Center is taking. It does look like it is going to stay just to the north of Cuba, and then once it gets towards the Gulf, it does look like it does have the possibility of strengthening into something stronger. So while it is interacting with all of this land down here, it will maintain its tropical storm strength maybe at 40, 45 miles per hour, but once it gets into more open waters towards the Gulf of Mexico, it does look like it will have the possibility of strengthening into something stronger. So where is it going to go according to the GFS model? So the GFS model does do a good job of saying that we are going to see some showers and storms, 20 to 30% chance of some showers and storms over the next few days. But the GFS model is going to take this storm over parts of Florida and then bring the moisture into South Carolina. So if that is the case, which it is looking like it is going to play out as, I am going to have to up the rain chances heading towards next week. But right now, I am going to keep the rain chances next week towards Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at about 30 to 40% chance. So let's take a look at your forecast. The Upstate, 91 degrees today and tomorrow with that 40% chance of a few afternoon storms. Then 92 degrees for your Friday and Saturday, 30% chance of some isolated storms. Then that front is going to push in and it is going to stall over our area, 86 degrees. More rain is going to be likely heading towards Sunday night and into Monday. Our best chance of rain is going to be Monday, about 82 degrees, 81 degrees for your Tuesday, about 50% chances of some scattered storms. Then the rain chances will gradually fall as of right now on Wednesday at 81 degrees. Temperatures will also start to go back up to 83 and 84 towards the end of next week. But if Tropical Storm Fred does bring some moisture here in South Carolina, I am going to have to up those rain chances next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now the heat index in the Upstate, 98 degrees for tomorrow, 99 for your Thursday, back down to 98 by Friday, and then gradually heading down as that front does approach our area. So about 95 for Saturday and 92 for Sunday. So not very bad compared to the heat that we were seeing just a few weeks ago, but the heat index is going to take a toll if you are outdoors. So be sure, once again, stay cool, stay hydrated, and take frequent breaks if you are outdoors. Your Midlands forecast, 92 degrees tomorrow, a few storms around on Thursday as well, 93 degrees, then 94 for your Friday, a mix of sun and clouds, and then heading into your Saturday and Sunday, that front is going to approach. It is going to bring some more moisture, so our best chance of rain is going to be Sunday night into Monday, and then even on Tuesday, we do have that 50% chance of some scattered storms likely, and our temperatures are going to be back down into the mid to low 80s all next week. So once again, if the Tropical Storm Fred does bring some more moisture to South Carolina, I am going to have to up the rain chances for Wednesday, Thursday, and possibly on Friday. But right now, you do look to catch a break in the Midlands on next Friday with a 20% chance of some showers. Now, your heat index for the Midlands is going to be a little bit higher than the Upstate, so about 103 for tomorrow, and Thursday about 105 for your Friday. Then once again, going back down as that front does approach, 98 for your Saturday and 95 for your Sunday. Your PeeDee forecast, you are going to stay in the 90s today and tomorrow, inland and along the coast, 20% chance of some showers, then 20% chance of some showers on Friday and Saturday, staying in the 90s on Friday, where the temperatures will gradually start to go down by Saturday. The front will not be there until maybe early afternoon on Monday, so expect your temperatures to stay in the 90s through at least Sunday if you are inland, and possibly 90s along the coast through your weekend, but it does look like you will top out about 88 on Sunday, then down into the mid 80s for your Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then chances of showers and storms are going to stay at 30% next week towards Thursday and Friday, but your temperatures are going to stay into the mid 80s. Now, the PeeDee forecast heat index, you do have 100 for tomorrow, 102 for Thursday, 103 for Friday, 100 for Saturday, and then back down to 96 as that front does approach even closer. So you are further out towards the coast, so that front does look to stall across the Upstate, so you may see some higher temperatures. So that's why your heat index is going to stay a little bit higher through your Saturday and possibly on Sunday. Same thing with the Lowcountry. That front is going to be a stretch, so you may see some cooler temperatures. You are going to see some cooler temperatures actually, but the heat index is going to stay a little bit higher. So 91 degrees for tomorrow inland, 89 along the coast tomorrow, then staying in the 90s through your Thursday and Friday. 20% chance of some showers, 20% chance of some showers on Saturday, but staying in the 90s inland, then down into the 80s along the coast. Then the rain does start to come as that front does inch closer. 40% chance of some scattered storms on Sunday, 50% chance on Monday. Best chance of rain is Monday, 85 degrees inland and along the coast on Monday. And then heading towards your Tuesday, 40% chance of some scattered storms, 86 and 87 for your temperatures. Then back down to a 30% chance of rain, but this is going to be upped if Tropical Storm Fred does bring some moisture to the area, but staying at about 30% chance through the end of next week. Now, your Lowcountry heat index, 102 for tomorrow, 103 for Thursday, 102 for Friday, 99 for your Saturday and Sunday. So keep it on my Facebook page for all the latest information on Tropical Storm Fred and the front that is approaching, and also the heat that we are expecting. So I know I haven't been doing a good job at keeping you updated, but I'm going to get back on track heading into the next few days. So be sure to keep it on my Facebook page for all the latest information.